Hello everyone, welcome to the Plant Biodiversity series. In this video, we will be working through a question from the KZN March 2024 Provincial test. This question is worth 9 marks and will assess your knowledge of cladograms or phylogenetic trees. So let's jump into it. We are given 6 questions. I would like you to pause the video and use the phylogenetic tree to answer the questions. Question 2.1.1 asks you to name the kingdom to which algae belong. Algae belong to Protista. Remember that algae are the common ancestor. They are not part of the plant kingdom. They are, however, the common ancestor of all plants. Algae are plant-like protists. Name 2 plant divisions that were the first to exist in the Paleozoic era. These would be the Gr.11 and the Bryophytes. So we can see that when we look at our phylogenetic tree, we see that the 2 clades that begin at the Paleozoic era are the Gr.11 and the Bryophytes. 2.1.3 asks you to state how long ago the seed plants arose on Earth. So we know that the seed plants would be the Gymnosperms and the Angiosperms. Gymnosperms have a naked seed, Angiosperms have a covered seed. So if we look at label A, we see, if we look at label C, we can see that seeded plants arose 350 million years ago. So that is indicated by label C. That is when seeded plants first arose. Question 2.1.4, name one characteristic shared by Gymnosperms and Angiosperms, making them closely related. That would be the presence of seeds. The word sperm in Gymnosperm and Angiosperm means seed. Question 2.1.5, name the letter that represents A, vascular tissue. So vascular tissue would be represented by D because it is only after the letter D that we start to see Pteridophytes, Gymnosperms, and Angiosperms. And these are the only plants that have xylem and phloem. So when vascular tissue is mentioned, think of xylem and phloem. Name the letter that represents seeds. That would be label C. So we've kind of already answered this question. So the letter representing seeds would be letter C, because after letter C, we see the Gymnosperms and the Angiosperms. Question 2.1.6, name the group that is considered to be the ancestor of all land plants from the diagram above. That would be the algae. So I want you to count how many questions you got right and give yourself a mark out of 9, and then we can move on to the next question.